Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 9, Chapter number 1, Sets. In last topic we studied the concept of set and its definition. Also we studied the methods of writing sets. Today we are going to study types of sets and practice set 1.2 which is based on this topic. Now types of sets. First type is singleton set. A set consists of a single element is called as singleton set. For example, A is the set of even prime numbers. Now as we know, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. But 2 is the only element which is also even and prime number. So set A consists of only one element, that is 2. Second type is empty set or null set. If there is not a single element in a set, then it is called as empty set or null set. It is shown by only two curly brackets, or you can see the symbol on the screen which is called as 5. For example, b equal to x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. As we know, 2 and 3 are consecutive natural number and there is no any other natural number between them. So b will be empty set. Now we will see the third type, finite set. If a set is a null set and a number of elements in a set are limited or countable, then it is said to be finite set. For example, C equal to P such that P is a number from 1 to 22 which are divisible by 4. Now, we'll get the answer C equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So, it is countable or limited. So, C is finite set. Now, we will move on to the next type, that is infinite set. If a number of elements in a set is unlimited and uncountable, then the set is said to be infinite set. For example, n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, that is set of natural numbers or set of rational numbers, set of whole numbers are said to be infinite set. Now next type is equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is in set B and every element of set B is in set A and it is represented as A equal to B. For example, A equal to X such that X is a letter from the word listen, and B equal to Y such that Y is a letter from the word silent. So by listing method, A will be LISTEN and B equal to SILENT. If we will observe the set A and B, the elements are same in both the sets. So set A is equal to set B. Now we will move on to practice set 1.2. Question number 1. Decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Justify your answer. A equal to x such that 3x minus 1 equal to 2. B equal to x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. C equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than 2. Now first we will solve for 3x minus 1 equal to 2. Shift minus 1 towards the right hand side. So 3x equal to 2 plus 1. Hence 3x equal to 3. Shift 3 towards the right hand side. Hence x equal to 3 by 3. So x equal to 1. So set A equal to 1. Now in B, x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Now there is only element 1 which is neither prime nor composite but it is natural. So B equal to 1. Now in set C, x is natural number and x is less than 2. So only 1 is natural number which is less than 2. Hence set C equal to 1. Hence answer will be set A equal to set B equal to set C. Question number 2. Decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. A equal to even prime numbers and B equal to x such that 7x minus 1 equal to 13. Now as we know, 2 is the only number which is even and prime. Hence set A will be 2. Now we will solve for 7x minus 1 equal to 13. Now shift 1 towards the right hand side. Hence 7x equal to 14. Now shift 7 towards the right hand side. Therefore answer will be x equal to 14 upon 7 equal to 2. So if we'll observe, set A is equal to 2 and set B is equal to 2. Hence the element are same. So A equal to B. Now we will move on towards the third example. Which of the following are empty sets Y? First, A equal to A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. Second example, B equal to x such that x square equal to 0. And third, C equal to x such that 5x minus 2 equal to 0 and x belongs to n. As we know, natural number starts from 1. So there is no any number which is natural and smaller than 0. So set A is empty set. Now we will solve for x square equal to 0. We'll take square root on both the sides. So x equal to 0. So element in B is B equal to 0. Hence there is one element in set B that is 0. Hence B is not empty set. Now we will solve for 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Now shift minus 2 towards the right hand side. 5x equal to 2. Now shift 5 towards the right hand side. X equal to 2 upon 5. But x is natural number and 2 upon 5 is fraction. Hence set C is empty set. Now we will solve question number 4. Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. First, A equal to x such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. As we know, natural number less than 10. So set A will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So there is limitation for set A. We can count the element. Hence set A is finite set. Example number 2. B equal to y such that y is less than minus 1 and y is an integer. As we know, integer less than minus 1 will be minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So there is no limitation. We can't count the elements in set B. Hence set B is infinite set.